Beautiful crackle door, love it. And I sealed it really good. Let it dry in between coats, and I put 4 coats on. I don't know why 4. You're really only supposed to do it 3, but I don't know, it's kind of getting carried away. Not new, but it looks great. Super happy. The last step is going to be pulling up all the tape and then razor blading and cleaning carefully all of the window panes. And so that's going to be the last step as far as the crackling and painting and crackling of the door, and then we'll hang it and I will do a video of the finished door. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I haven't taken it in to see what it looks like with the island yet, or with the woodwork. I did take some sample pieces in on some sample wood before I dove into the project, and it looked good. So I'm so excited. Yay. Yay, yay. It was so fun to do too. Now I just want to like crackle everything. Like I just want to take every piece of furniture and crackle it. But alas, I will not. At least not all the furniture.